Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. It's shop tour time. We are located in Indiana outside of our facility. Hey, if you like cool videos like this, at the end, subscribe, hit notify, stay up to date. We have all kinds of dyno videos as well as shop tours like this. You'll see videos like that Raptor right there we released yesterday on the dyno. It's awesome. Let's go inside and check things out. All right, let's get this shop tour started. So if you've watched these shop tours before, you'll know, but if you don't, here's what's getting ready to happen. We're starting off today in the dyno cell. We use a DynoJet 224X to dyno almost every vehicle that we're building in here if it requires it. Then we're going to take a walk through the shop to show you the random variety of vehicles that we're building today, and every day it pretty much changes, or at least every week. You're going to see a lot of cool stuff. So behind me we have a Gen 1 Coyote. Now listen, the cars that come into our shop, you're going to see this, they come in for all different reasons. Maybe they're stock and they want modded, maybe they have issues, but here's an example of a car that came in that had an issue he wanted us to resolve. He bought this used and then ended up cracking 4 pistons. It had a lot of boost. It was an E85 car, but it was stock engine. Doug, take a look. So we have the Vortech Supercharger on it. It's a sweet car. We're gonna get it dialed in. We put a new short block in. We're kind of getting on the dyno right now, getting ready to fine tune it. We pulled some boost out. But something I want you to keep in mind is if you buy a used car, what's crazy, we had 3 this month that came in like this. We bought them used, the cars had issues. Sometimes if you buy a used car, you don't know what it has. You don't know how much boost it has. You don't know what all's on it. We do have a service here at Brenspeed that you can bring your car in. We'll go over the whole car, everything, let you know exactly, what injectors, how much boost, should you do this, should you do that. It's pretty cool, and it could cause you, or not cause you problems down the road, but it could cause you to not have those problems. Doug, let's walk out here, take a look. So we're gonna start off walking through the shop. Some guys are on break, some guys are working. We're just gonna go around them. Let's start right over here. So what you have going on right here on this lift is Gen 1 Coyote. Already had a Ford Racing manifold instead of long tubes on it. We're installing a Novi 2200. You will see a video of this car on the dyno, but maybe later this week, or I might release that video next week. But if you get on our channel and surf around, you'll see over 90% of the videos that we have on there are dyno videos. Are pretty short, 2 to 3 minutes, but it shows you the mods, shows you the numbers. So it's a good way if you want to build a car down the road, you can figure out maybe what parts you want to get or maybe what parts you don't want to get. We're going to keep moving right here. He just installed a set of billet oil pump gears, rear cylinder head cooling kit, and supercharger getting ready to go on. Sorry about that. Over here we have, Fairlane up there getting modded, but we're not really talking about that today. Down here, Gen 3 Coyote. So over to take a look. So we talked about people that bring cars in for different reasons. This is someone that likes to work on the car themselves. That's fine. He installed a return style fuel system, trailered it here, and just wanted us to do a 10 rib conversion on it. He didn't really have the proper tools, I believe, but while it was here, he already had an ESS supercharger. Doug, take a look. He already had the ESS, so we went ahead and put that on. And then we're not even finishing it. So we did the supercharger, the 10 rib. He had done the fuel system, and he's gonna pick it up this week, and he'll finish the car himself. And that's fine. You like to work on your car. You might get to a point where it's something you're not comfortable doing. We can do it, and then give the car back, and you can finish it. Let's keep moving down here. Now this is something you don't see every day. Pretty cool. New Edge Celine Mustang. I was over peeking around at this today. Doug, I know you're looking over there, but I'm down here. This is vehicle number 800, which kind of surprised me. Back in the day they made that many of these, but we're installing a set of cams on this, I think a set of long tube headers. So pretty cool to see another New Edge Celine come in here. A lot of times people ask, do you work on the 9904 cars? Yes, we do. Here's an example one. Let's keep moving. Try to make these videos not too long, but there is a lot to look at. Right here, Sport Track Adrenaline. We do a lot of these. Let's go up front, take a look. This is just in the middle of being built. So this client bought this online, used obviously, had it shipped directly to us. He knew what he wanted. He always wanted one of these. We did our 302 stroker engine. It's a 3-valve. We're doing an E4 supercharger. We call it our striker conversion. We have these kits available. If you have an Explorer, Mountaineer, Sport Track, we have these packages available turnkey here at Brenspeed for a stock engine or something like this. He wanted a built engine. We also took the transmission out, sent it to level 10. They didn't upgrade. That's going to be back this week. So that'll be going right back in this truck. Get this thing wrapped up. But sweet setup. You know, people love like Coyote and EcoBoost F-150s, but back in the day, you could buy this little pickup truck right here. They came with a 3-valve V8 and do something like this. Awesome. That supercharger on a stock engine is like 475 flywheel horsepower, but with the fact that we did our stroker engine in it, we'll turn it up over that. It'll make over 500 at the flywheel. That'll be a cool truck. So I'm showing you a lot of Fords. We do a lot of other type vehicles in here. I have one right here. This is a really cool looking charger. We just installed a set of long tube headers on, but basically it's just waiting for a Whipple to come in. So we're going to do an upgraded camshaft, Whipple supercharger, return style fuel system, and this will be an awesome car. So basically all you're looking at right here is what this thing looked like when it show up. Can't really see the long tube headers, but once the Whipple's on there, we will have a video out on that. Another reason to subscribe, watch those videos. We're gonna end this tour back in this corner. Doug, just follow me back here. Gen 3 Coyote Procharger, I believe on this one. So Gen 3 Coyote Procharger car, it came in, already had the Procharger on it. We're installing a return style fuel system, setting up for E85, tuning it. He's hoping to make about 800 of the tires, so that'll be a cool car right there. So that's just a quick tour of our shop. We're located in Indiana. In the description, I will put links of our address, phone number. You just email quote@brenspeed.com if you have something you want built. That's a pretty easy way to do it. You can check out brenspeed.com. We have the back half of our building. You can't see, it's all warehouse. So most of the parts we're talking about today, we keep in stock and get shipped right to your door. So you have like, let's say something like this, a Gen 3, and we carry Roushes, we carry Whipples, GT350 Whipples. We try to keep all the popular stuff available to prevent the wait. But that's pretty much it for today. It's a shop tour here at Brenspeed. Have any questions, leave that comment, happy to answer, and watch all those other videos. They're much shorter than this. You'll see lots of dynos. Thanks for watching.